Hello guys, it's me, Jasper, and today I am going to show you how you fold an origami crane. This is probably what it's going to look something like this when you are done. And yeah, that's a very fun and simple model. So let's get to it. The first thing you do is you need to make the square base, so you fold in half. Make sure to make sharp creases and line your folds nice and neatly. Okay, and this model should be relatively easy, although it might be a little bit difficult to beginners, but you should be able to pull it off. Now you're going to unfold. So we have a crease in the middle. I'm going to rotate it so this crease, and you can see it's like this. Now I'm going to fold it the other way, like this. And we have this. Now we're going to take this closed edge. This is the open edge. This is the closed side. So the top is going to be my closed side, and I'm going to fold it down. Let's see, I don't want to watch here. So let me just see that crease right there. This is the closed edge. Closed edge is going to be going down. So it's a closed edge down along that crease. Just get it to go on that crease. Make sure it's the closed edge though. Because if it's not, then your model will fail. Now, see this? I'm going to turn it over and repeat. So it's like this. Turn over and repeat. And yeah, so it looks like a triangle. Now, we're going to turn it upside down. Turn that round upside down. Okay, so now for that. See, it's like this. This is the flap. Oops. This is the main flap here. And main flap here. So we're just going to separate those a little bit. Turn it over. But you also want to kind of keep them folded through this process, so watch. Going to hold it upside down. I'm just going to push this. Squash it. So it was like this. Just going to push the edges together. Now it's going to make the square base. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to let's pay close attention. This is going to be my closed side. So I don't know if you can see that. Let me see. Can you see that? Anyways, you can kind of see it. That is my open side. So you see, that's my open side. So the open side is facing you, right? I'm going to make a point, so the point is at the open side, and it's facing you. See? Open side is the point. Otherwise, point is the open side. And so it's like this. Now I'm going to fold this flap here over like that. And it looks like this. So these two flaps are folded. Turn it over and repeat. Okay, now this here is done. Now you'll notice this is my closed tip. I'm just going to fold it down on that edge. Oops. Okay, now this is the very tricky. Unfold, unfold, and unfold, and open the bottom flap. And we're going to make a bird base. So I'm going to show you what that is. So just open this bottom flap. So you see this bottom flap? Read this. So you see this? It's like this. Open bottom flap. And fold it up so it's going along this crease. Right here. Okay. And obviously this isn't going to land flat. So what we do is, you see, watch, push these here together. Should just collapse. This is kind of tricky, but I'm sure you'll get the hang of it. And now turn over, and since they turned over, I'm just going to fold this flap here down. Okay, so it's like this. Unfold, repeat that same step. I'm going to do this one a little faster. Always rewind and rewatch that, and then skip ahead. Okay, now you'll notice this flap here has these are two flaps, so it's like this. And I want to take these two flaps, and this is going to be the top. What I'm going to do is these are my two flaps here. See, this is the top, these are the two flaps. Pinch, pinch, pinch. I'm going to fold this here down along this crease. That. And looks like this. Repeat right there. And turn over and do the same thing. Okay, and now we have this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to see, it's like this. I'm going to rotate it like this. Notice I have a pocket. Stick my finger on that. Side, stick my finger on that. I'm going to just push them together. It's called a minor miracle fold. So it's like this. Open it. Both sides. It was like this. Open. 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 And it squashes. And yeah. Now we just have to go like this. Just going to fold this flap here up, that, and so it's like this, and repeat. These are our wings. It's done. Flatten those out. Now we just have to make the beak. Take a point. Watch. Kinda. Watch this up close. See this? Fold this down. Then that's the beak. And that is your origami crane. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, give it a like and subscribe to catch on to my other videos. So yeah, make sure to like my videos. Sunset origami. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, anyways, say goodbye to my Pokemon card. Penny says goodbye. Goodbye.